Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'm sharing some motivation with y'all, some cleaning, decluttering, and organizing of motivation to get you up and start to tackle your to-do list today. This is my closet organization video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave it a big thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe. If you let your closet go to this extent to where you can't even walk into it and it just has everything in it, it's where you just throw stuff, then this video is going to be for you. I am taking all of that junk out. Yes, you just saw some beach towels that were in my closet, and a punch bowl. So you're seeing me take all of this stuff out. I'm going to go through it and declutter it. You will see me putting some stuff back in. I bought some super cute baskets and hangers from Target, and you will be seeing me put those back in. I will say that this video took me 2 days to film, so I do have an outfit change. In fact, I have like 3 outfit changes because on the second day I was also doing some meal prep, and I got my shirt dirty, so I had to change. But anyways, it did take me 2 days to film this, and on the second day it was a very cloudy, rainy day, and so the lighting isn't as good as this first day video.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us, 'cause wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night, oh this summer night.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away. Get up, do it, break away. Get up, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid. now. This is beautiful, yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed my video today, and if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, to be notified of when I post new videos, please hit the bell button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!